Okay, so you're curious about Monzo, right? You've probably heard the buzz about this digital bank, and you're wondering if it's the right fit for you. Well, let's dive into the question everyone's asking. Does Monzo accept everyone? The short answer: no, Monzo doesn't accept everyone. Now, let's get into the details. Monzo is a UK-based challenger bank that's known for its innovative approach to banking. They offer a range of accounts and services, including a current account, prepaid card, and even a business account. While they're definitely gaining popularity, there are some eligibility requirements you need to meet before you can join the Monzo Club. Who can join Monzo? Residents of the UK. Monzo is currently only available to residents of the United Kingdom. If you live outside the UK, you won't be able to open an account. Over 18, you must be at least 18 years old to open a Monzo account. If you're younger than 18, you can still get a Monzo Junior account, which is designed for kids and teens. Right to work in the UK. If you're not a UK citizen, you'll need to provide proof that you have the right to work in the UK. This could be a passport, visa, or other relevant documentation. Pass credit checks. Monzo conducts credit checks on all new applicants. This helps them assess your financial responsibility and determine if you're likely to repay any loans or credit you may take on. What happens if you don't meet the eligibility criteria? If you don't meet one or more of the eligibility criteria, you won't be able to open a Monzo account. However, you can still keep an eye on Monzo and see if their eligibility requirements change in the future. So, is Monzo right for you? If you're a UK resident over the age of 18 with the right to work in the UK and a good credit score, then Monzo could be a great option for you. Their innovative features, such as instant notifications, budgeting tools, and roundups, make it a compelling choice for many people. However, if you don't meet the eligibility criteria or you're looking for a more traditional banking experience, Monzo might not be the right fit for you. Other options to consider. If Monzo isn't an option for you, there are plenty of other banks and financial institutions to choose from. Here are a few alternatives to consider. Revolut. Revolut is another digital bank that offers similar features to Monzo. They're also available to residents of the UK and other countries. Starling Bank. Starling Bank is another UK-based challenger bank that offers a range of personal and business accounts. Metro Bank. Metro Bank is a traditional high street bank that's known for its customer service. They offer a range of accounts and products for both personal and business customers. In conclusion, whether or not Monzo is right for you depends on your individual circumstances. If you meet the eligibility criteria and you're looking for a modern, innovative banking experience, then Monzo could be a great option. However, if you don't meet the criteria or you prefer a more traditional banking experience, there are plenty of other options available. Ultimately, the best way to decide if Monzo is right for you is to do your research and compare it to other banks and financial institutions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.